What is this? Tornado warning!
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Benton County in northwestern Arkansas.
Oh no, my phone's about to blow up.
Delaware County in northeastern Oklahoma. Northern Adair County in northeastern Oklahoma. East Central Cherokee County in east central Oklahoma. Until 4 p.m. Central Standard
Tornado warning.
p.m. Central Standard Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Eldon, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris
Okay, hold on. Is this for my town, though?
caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations in or near the path include Siloam Springs, Siloam Springs, Colgard, Watts, Eldon, Proctor, Christie, Lake Francis, Ballard, Gallatin, Natural Falls State Park, Cherokee City. Take cover now.
Oh, it's gonna miss my town.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
Oh, I just got home, turned on my WR-120, and this comes in!
Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect
Oh, that
yourself from
scared me, and then my
debris.
brother's walkie-talkies are blowing up in the kitchen.